Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop background mobile data on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Turn off mobile data for a specific app. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Next, tap on cellular or mobile data. Scroll down to see the list of apps. Then toggle off the apps you don't want using mobile data in background. Step 2. Disable background app. Refresh on mobile data. Next, go back to the settings. Then tap on general. Then tap on background app refresh. Choose background app refresh again. Then select Wi-Fi or off. This prevents apps from refreshing and using mobile data in background. Step 3. Turn on low data mode. Go back to the settings, tap on cellular, then tap on cellular data options, then turn on low data mode. This reduces background activity and helps save mobile data. Step 4. Stop iCloud using mobile data. To stop iCloud from using mobile data, go back to the settings, then tap on your Apple ID, then tap on iCloud, tap iCloud Drive and turn off use mobile data. And that's how you stop background mobile data on iPhone, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.